What's the matter, Pixie? Don't you like your bed? Who am I to ask that question, being someone who woke up at 4 a.m. and couldn't get back to sleep? I'm beginning to think that insomnia is normal, or at least normal for me. Piece of junk. It just sits there and spins and spins and spins and spins and spins. And people seriously wonder why I question the state of consumer technology these days. I'm laced up for a few walks around the block. I wanted to take Jedi with me, and I might go around the block with her later. But she's asleep. I don't want to wake her up. Do you want to come with me, Pixie? Should I take that wagging of the tail as a yes? I wanted to do this before it got too hot outside. Well, there's one of our bunnies. Here we go. I've got a lot on my mind, Pixie. I realize you're not going to respond, Pixie, and that's okay. Sometimes people ask you what's up and they're concerned, but when you tell them what's up, they really don't want to hear about it. Or they can't help you apart from saying it'll get better. Maybe it'll get better. I don't know. There's a lot of things that need to get better, though, and I can't necessarily ignore the problems. I'm taking care of them, one by one. How do you vlog your life when so much of your life is wrapped up in your business? And without a business, well, where's your life? I've always loved doing what I do. For the past 20 years, I've loved working for myself. But I'm not so sure I have the ability to do it for too much longer. Just this past week, because we failed to find enough patrons, I kind of had to let one of my editors go. He's been with me for over a decade. Come on, Pix. Technically speaking, I just couldn't afford his skill set anymore. We did our best. But if anybody's looking for an amazing editor, I know where you can find one. An editor for writing, that is, not for video. I know some people are all smiles, but I can only smile about certain things. Like taking walks around the block with my dog. Like a pretty nice sunrise. Like being able to see Jedi and play with her later today. Thanks for not getting mad at me for putting Wicket's collar on you. By the way, if I accidentally walk into a spider's web, I'm going to drop this camera, and it's likely going to hit you. So, sorry if that happens. That's one lap, which makes you a lap dog. Well, today's vlog is turning out to be quite different, isn't it? How about we periscope the next lap and let others join us, virtually? Pixie became dog-tired towards the end of the second lap, and I had to pick her up and bring her home. I am happy to live in a country where I can own my own business and live as free as I possibly can. Do you have a popped collar? Excuse you. I gave her an LED puck to play with. Do you want to eat? I believe we have our answer. You're red, white, and blue, with stars. We could just wave you around all day.
Oh, look how cute you are. Even when you're mad. How's everyone doing? We have no fireworks here. No fireworks there either. Yeah, I wonder if they're banning fireworks all around. Oh no, don't eat that.
From go.tagjag.com/shirt, we're only going to print 100 of these, and this is your chance. Hopefully, it will be something that everybody will want to wear. Super soft, super awesome, and super designed by Kelly Issaquah. I'd be wearing one right now, but they haven't been printed yet. Again, to get your own, head over to go.tagjag.com/shirt. We will see just how many of you want to wear a Pirillo pixel art shirt. Prixels. Prixels? The chicken may have cooked itself in the car on the way home. Oh, you don't care. I'm eating so much cheese, I don't understand how I continue to poop.
What did you say before that about the chicken?
that it was almost cooked in the car or something like that.
Does that look like a spider bite?
Yeah, it looks like it scratched you something fierce.
Yeah. Do you see it right there?
Mm-hmm. Oh, that? Mm-hmm. That nothing. Did the chicken cook itself? It smells good. Oh, wait. It's the cologne or perfume that they're wearing. Do you need me to call you an ambulance?
I might. Feeling a little lightheaded.
Yeah, that's what I felt years ago.
No, I'm just kidding. Cuts really don't bother me.
These are lettuce wraps?
They are.
Where's the lettuce?
It's right in front of you. To your right, yeah.
Oh! In front of the American flag, made in China. What am I supposed to do now?
Build your own wrap.
What if I do it incorrectly?
You can't mess up. Oh, that's a good one. Good choice.
How do you know? What is this?
Water chestnuts, I think. Maybe you should have tried one without the sauce first.
Fine, I won't eat the awesome sauce. You need the awesome sauce. Now that is a tasty burger. Does it squeak? Whoa, that's a loud burger. There's smoke out on that ridge, and I don't think that's from a firework. You say, ooh, ah, ee, oh, I, ooh, ah. It was a year ago today that your mother almost burned down the house. She dropped the sparkler right there. Wow. Whoo. Whoa. I think that's a grand finale there. Did you see one closer? Hun? Am I the only one on the deck right now? This isn't as much fun without Jedi. Woohoo. Are you seeing these, hun?
Yeah, those are pretty.
Wait, maybe she's doing it right. Boom, boom, boom. Do you remember the flash bangs? I hated those. Man. Those are my favorites. I'm not so sure if Jedi's enjoying this as much as we are.
She's too busy looking at you.
No, look at the fireworks, not Daddy. You can see Daddy every day. Those are very far away. Man, why couldn't that have been in focus? And if you've always wanted to know what it looks like when you stare at something without glasses, when the camera goes blurry, kind of like that. I like those. Oh. Whoa.
Oh my goodness, this is the worst holiday ever! Why can't you celebrate your independence in silence? I'm going to stay by the shoes. I'll keep the dining room safe!
Thanks again for taking the time to watch, like, and share all the videos that we're doing for you every day across every one of our channels, plus interacting with us whenever and wherever you can, and supporting us in whatever ways that you see fit. We'll see you tomorrow!